Welcome back to another Crawl Space Encounters. Here we go, got ourselves another one here. Okay. Alright. This looks like a fairly low crawl space. Let's get some more lighting in here. Here we go. Alright. Well, this house looks like it's been built in the 80s. Doesn't look like there's any vapor barrier down here. No vapor barrier. No nothing. Looks like some water gets in during times of rain. Now, when you hear a slight pause, it's just to make sure there's nothing down here. What do we got here? Some old subterranean termite mud tubes. Looks like it's pretty old. It's been there for a minute. There's another one right there. So this is the front of the house here. Like water does come in through this wall. We did get some rain this weekend. A little wood rot right there. Let's get up underneath this right. Look fine. It's definitely a lot better when there's ground cover. Even though so far I don't see a massive amount of wood fungi. Oh, check that out. Big old hole in the ground. Looks like a meteor landed here. It's weird. Wow, is that water? Man, let's go check that out. Oh, it's gotta be. Oh, look at this. That's got a lot of electricity. Not my favorite. But we gotta get in this hole. Definitely gotta get in this hole. Alright. We are officially in this crater. Oh my God. This is what I wanted to see. Look at this. This is a duct line. Look at the belly on this guy. That is water. That is water in your duct line. I'm talking a lot of water. I am gonna pop it. I have to pop it. I wouldn't feel right if I didn't pop it. Alright, let's check it out. That is where your air is supposed to be coming through for your home. No bueno. Man. That's a lot of water. That's horrible. We're gonna let that do what it has to do. Oh my God. I gotta get out of this crater. That is absolutely crazy. That is crazy. I gotta get out of here. Yeah, this big old thing. Yeah, that thing will zap you and you won't be celebrating Christmas this year. Here we got our sewer. You can tell he did some repairs over here. Let's check this out. Oh. Let's just a lot of problems are going to be happening here. Connection here. That's gonna be a problem eventually. That water was a trip. These low crawl spaces are not fun. Not fun guy. Got a little fungi here. See, you have these low crawl spaces with no ground cover. Your ductwork is all down here. They get filled with condensation. You also start getting some fungus, mildew. Oh, and my favorite. That looks probably pretty old, but it's the wire. Don't know if it's hot. Not a clue. Now this was the other termite mud tube I wanted to look at. I have to get to the other side. There you go. That's a termite mud tube coming down. Termites. Wow. Water in the duct line. Look at that. Wow. All right, folks. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the other one.